The 2015 is last model year of the second generation of Toyota Tacoma in the U.S. market. The midsize pickup market in the USA is not as well liked as the larger ones, but the Toyota Tacoma is one truck that has long been able to capitalize on it, something that its older sibling, the Tundra, was unable to do in its respective segment. The unblemished reliability reputation that Toyota as a brand carries can be used to explain why the Toyota Tacoma outsells the competition. Even though this fact does not demonstrate complete immunity, 152 complaints on a truck that sells more than 150,000 units is commendable. By the way, this model year has received an awesome badge on the Car Complaints website. While rivals like the Chevrolet Colorado, GMC Canyon, and Nissan Frontier present themselves as fancier options with their own advantages, they fall short of the dependability that Toyota provides or has built into its cars. Even so, it's inevitable to experience minor issues. So if you're considering purchasing a 2015 Toyota Tacoma, I've compiled a list of some of the most frequently reported issues. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe and let's get started. Engine problems. The 2015 Toyota Tacoma's secondary air injection pump has a history of failing too soon. The vehicle reacts by entering limp mode when one or more problems occur. And the problems may be with the pump, valve, or control module. The price of repairs can range from $250 to $700 depending on the type of fault found. The automaker had previously removed this part from warranty, but recent information indicates that dealers have begun offering free replacements as part of the new Toyota customer support program. Radio issues. Some of the frequent problems with the radio in the 2015 Toyota Tacoma include intermittent drops in radio reception and Intune's freezing, despite the availability of firmware updates and reset options. The problems recur on occasion. Restarting the car is the only quick fix for this issue, which may also require a new wiring harness or antenna. Paint quality issues. One frequent problem mentioned by many 2015 Toyota Tacoma owners is the rapid onset of rust. Some common problems that have been reported include clear coat damage, paint chipping, and bubbling, mostly at the wheel arches and cargo bed panels. Recent revelations regarding frame rust and associated failures have raised concerns about rear leaf spring failure in vehicles with high mileage. Suspension issues. For 2015 Toyota Tacoma trucks with relatively high mileage, failure of the rear leaf spring is not unusual. Excessive corrosion is the main cause of this failure, which can result in the individual leaves cracking or the chassis mounting points moving. According to recent updates, the automaker is preparing a recall or service bulletin for the replacement or inspection of the rear suspension on the second-generation Tacoma trucks. Wiring harness. Toyota's 2015 Tacoma's wiring harness, which is made of peanut and soy, is rumored to be very rodent attractive. The NHTSA has received numerous reports of rodents damaging the engine wiring harness on the trucks. Despite the fact that this problem has been fairly typical, Toyota has yet to acknowledge it. There are currently no recognized solutions to this problem, and owners have frequently complained about having to deal with it repeatedly. Service brake issues. Another problem to watch out for with the 2015 Toyota Tacoma is brake disc warp. The main warning signs of these problems are vibrations in the steering wheel and brake pedal. Since not all of the damaged discs could be skimmed, the entire unit must be changed. On trucks with an average mileage of about 40,000 miles, the failure is noted. Recalls. There are not too many recalls according to the 2015 Toyota Tacoma truck. The first is about incorrect load carrying capacity label. The second, vehicle accessories may detach. Next one is incorrect tire placard information, and the last one is the accessory hood scoop may detach. The full information about these recall now you can see on the screen. Should you buy? The response you seek in this case is the sales figure. There is a good chance that you will consider the 2015 Toyota Tacoma if a midsize truck is what you're looking for. And I wholeheartedly support that choice. On a generation that has been around for so long, the recall numbers might seem a bit high. But I assure you that none of them affect the truck's actual usability. The fact that there haven't been many complaints filed against this truck also gives its owners a sense of how trouble-free it has been and supports the reliability claim we are making here.